This is a swan. It has a very long neck. Where are the swans? Go and look for them. I found them! Swans live amongst the reed bed by the lake. The cygnets are hatched. The cygnets are learning to swim under the care of their parents. Oh, the naughty cygnets are running about. Get them back. Don't run about! Oh no! An eagle is coming! Beat the eagle off! The cygnets' parents are protecting them! Good job! The eagle is driven away! Tap on the cygnet to get rid of the unwanted down. It feels so much better now. But there are still some other things. Thank you! The cygnet is much cleaner now. Swans are flying south for the winter. They fly sometimes in V shape and sometimes in one straight line. Cygnets are starving after the long flight. They're full and are strong enough to fly on. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Swan. Let's play again next time.